Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful mathematical expression that is minus 6 plus 6 times 7 by 7. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it because they cancel out the 7 with 7 and minus plus 6. They cancel out this as well and their answer is 1, which is the wrong answer because they did not follow the right approach. When you have multiple operations are given in an expression, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D is multiplication division. Both have same priority. You just need to solve it from left to right. And here A and S is addition and subtraction. They have also the same priority. So when you have given multiple operation with in fraction, so you can write this as well, 6 plus 6 times 7 in bracket, then division sign, then 7. Now the bracket, this is called a parenthesis. So first you have to solve it, and in bracket there is a subtraction, addition and multiplication. So as per this rule, we have to give priority to multiplication, and multiplication sides in between 6 and 7. So minus 6 plus 6 times 7 is 42. Put the bracket again, divided by 7. Now in bracket there is an addition and subtraction, and addition subtraction gives minus, so it is subtraction, so 42 minus 6 is 35 positive divided by 7, which is 5. So what is the correct answer? 5, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.